Hi, my name's Simon from Motordrome, and today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this 1998 Land Rover Defender 90 Wolf 300 TDI soft top, obviously ex-military, that you can see lurking behind me. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of engine running action as well, I should think, at the end. Hope you like them. Okay, let's take this 1998 Land Rover Defender 90 300 TDI Wolf soft top for a spin. As always with the ex-military ones, it's showing the speedometer is in kilometres and it's showing 183,000 kilometres. However, this one did have a remanufactured MOD engine fitted in 2011. So let's take it out. I've just done a few miles in it. Drives really nicely, but we'll do a few for the video. All light ignition light come up as they should, as does the cold start light, although we don't need that at the moment. Starts on the button. Starts nicely hot or cold. Heater actually works nicely on this one, produces a reasonable amount of heat. As I say, it does need a new pipe to the screen outlet on the near side. Anyway, let's take it for a spin. Now you will hear some rattling from the camera's mounted on the near side 2-piece door, and the windows are notorious for rattling, so you will get a bit of rattling from there. Also, it's a nasty cold and windy day here, so we've got all the back and the windows up, but when we're driving along you will see some flapping from the roof and stuff, but the basic vehicle is all good. One thing it is missing is its map light. Just noticed that. But, off we go into reverse. As with all of these, it's got the R380 gearbox, which is obviously lovely. Engine feels and sounds really healthy. It was serviced just before it came to us by the last owner as part of the deal, and it chugs along quite happily. Temperature gauge, when it's fully warmed up as it is at the minute, sits slightly to the high side of normal, not overheating, but just sort of instead of 90 degrees, about 95, should we say. It does warm up quickly, and say the heater works nicely. It steers straight. I'm not having to fight it down the road. It's going where it should. Once you do get a bit of tyre noise from the military tyres. Sinister noises from suspension or anything. Very occasionally, as it has done now, the fuel gauge can stop working. I don't know why, but it comes back again. But it has done it now, just as we're gone over a bump. But it does come back. It's just a slightly loose connection somewhere. no backlash to the transmission if I let my foot off and on the throttle sharply, no clunking at all. And yeah, stops nice and cleanly, nice pedal feel. Even indicator self-cancel. So there we have it, nice driving Wolf. My name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com. So a bit of engine running action on this 1998 Defender 90 Wolf 300 TDI. As you can see, the warning lights come up. Fuel gauge is going up, although sometimes the fuel gauge does stop working, but it is working now. It's nice and warm at the minute. Fire up, everything goes out as it should. Now we'll get out and show you the engine. So the camera will move about a bit, I'm afraid. I haven't mastered the art of getting out without doing that at all. Never mind. So here we are. Military reconditioned 300 TDI. Reconditioning plate is there on top of the clearance chamber. It's done in 2011. Just in service, just before it came to us. Whilst we're here, we'll show you a bit of the bulkhead inside. But proper 300 TDI. It's running exactly as it should. So there we have it.